Hi dear friends, today I'm sharing what to do with this leftover fruits. I have one banana, a mango, orange, I think it's a peach, an apple, some grapes, and these are seedless grapes, and some strawberries. I am thinking before they get bad, let's make a summer fruit salad out of it. So I'm gonna cut these fruit and then show you how they look like. I have peeled the skin of the apples and now I'm gonna cut them into small pieces just like this. This is also washed. I'm just gonna cut them. For some of the fruits, I like them with their skin. It depends. When you are making a fruit salad, you can decide which one to keep with the skin and which one to peel the skin off. Now the mango. Now this is the last orange we are left with. So I am going to just take out the skin in a hurry. Now with the strawberries, I will add these strawberries because I don't want them to go bad. I'm gonna wash them and cut them into small pieces also. Look how colorful and nice it looks. Wow. All the beautiful colors of nature. Orange, yellow, green, red, and white apples. So after making the fruit salad, I like to add a little bit of lime juice, just 1 tablespoon, so they don't go brown. Usually the bananas and apple, they change their color after a while. By adding this, they just retain their color, and it's good to see also, even if you are eating it after half an hour after chilling it in the refrigerator. I like it like that, so their color will not change. That's the reason of adding this. And if you like, you can add some honey to it. That's what we like. Otherwise, usually I like it the way it is, but sometimes I like to add some honey to it. It's really interesting to add some honey to it. And then the natural sugars of the fruits will be enough. Just give it a mix. I'm gonna take out some fruit salad in a separate bowl without the oranges. And then in the rest, I'm gonna add the colorful, sweet, seedless oranges here. And then give it a mix also. So this is the final look of the colorful, delicious, healthy choice for a busy or for just a lazy summer day. Me and my family, we are just going to enjoy this. After 15 minutes, I like to eat this fruit salad a little bit chilled, so I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator by covering it with a plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour if you have time, and then eat it. It will be yummy. And I promise that in this way, after cutting and making a fruit salad, I think no fruit will go in the bin. It will be a healthy option for the whole family. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Make a fruit salad out of all the fruits which are left in the kitchen, which no one wants to cut and eat it. So this is the best way of making a salad and eating it. Till next time, stay safe. Love you all. Goodbye.